You're looking at the Exceed RC Rock Racer radio control, the course truck style. It's four-wheel drive with independent front suspension and an axle with a differential in the rear, giving you more positive control. With 3-inch tires, you can climb over many different obstacles. The shocks are spring and oil shocks. Colors are in blue and red. Comes with 3-inch soft high grip tires. .380 brushed motor. Speed is approximately 20 miles an hour depending upon the setting you have with the radio. The radio itself is a 2.4 gigahertz radio, 2-channel with dual rates and expo and trim control. This is a ready-to-run car, 7.2 volt, 1100 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery with a wall charger. We have spare parts available on NitroRCX.com.